Have you ever wondered what would happen if you attached a Roman candle to a remote control airplane and then shot it down with a bigger Roman candle? Today we're going to answer that question, and we actually have a live audience.
Yeah! Yeah! America!
Happy 4th of July. I've made plenty of airplanes in my lifetime, but I've never made an airplane that shoots things. Don't try this at home, kids. I am a trained professional who does this for a living, so do not try this at home. But today, we're gonna be shooting airplanes with Roman candles. All right, guys, I'm very nervous. We still have our audience, so if this crashes, there's a lot of people here to witness my failure. But if you're a kid watching this, or you're someone who wants to get into engineering, don't forget that your mistakes are actually what makes you better. You learn more from your failures than you do your successes. All right, Trenton, light it! Lord, let this work. My heart is going like 50 billion miles per hour. Oh, I hit it! Get ready! Yeah, let's go! It worked! I'm actually shaking. I was so nervous for that to work. Yeah!
Oh, look at the bottom, because I watched it hit the bottom.
I knew I hit it.
I heard it.
That was genuinely one of the coolest things I've ever done, and I can't believe it all worked.
Adam, you should have...
Was that sick or what? Yeah! Levi, quick!
Go fast! They're going! Here we go!
Get wrecked, Brendan! Get wrecked!
Get wrecked, Clay!
Yeah, buddy! America! America!
Get wrecked, Clay!
Ready? Loop-de-loop. Well, it turns out for once in my life, I built a plane that's too good. If you watch some of my other videos, that's not always what ends up happening. But before we get to that, I want to tell you about something cool. I go to a school called... But before we get to that, I'm an engineer, and I learned a lot of the things that I do in these videos from my engineering classes. And I go to a school called Oklahoma Christian. It's been a great place for me, and I found a lot of friends who also like doing engineering challenges like I do. That really helped me and pushed me to do more things. If you're interested in going to Oklahoma Christian for your education at college, click the link in the description. The plane is still in one piece. Yeah. I have a lot of Roman candles. You guys want to try and shoot it down?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. You have to remember when you're shooting fireworks, so be very careful where you're shooting. Okay? Why don't we stand on the center line, and we're all gonna aim it that way, and you could aim wherever you want, but do not turn around, do not aim to the sides. Remember, do not shoot each other. 3, 2, 1. Fight them!
Maybe next in a bad